What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Sophie the doll, and today we have a mini twist nighttime routine. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Join the family when you're ready. I have some socials to keep up with me at. I do all types of natural hair content, so if that is something that's interesting to you, you guys can visit my page at crowned.curls with 2 S's on Instagram as well as on TikTok. I do have a clothing brand as well that you guys can shop with me at, because who don't like to shop? Okay, and it's at Tapping305. And if you do not have a social, you guys can go ahead and visit the website at www.tapping305.com. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so it's been a week since I have done my twist, which I did plan on keeping it in for a while, so I'm glad that I went with the rubber band method, because I feel like the rubber band method really helps the twist to stay nice and fresh. I do have a whole video on how to achieve my twist, which will be linked up into the cards, or it will be on my end screen at the end of this video, so you guys can just go ahead and click that. The first thing I have to do when it comes to my nighttime maintenance routine for my twist is adding some oil to my scalp. As you guys can see, I'm getting a little bit of flakes on my hair, but it's not because of the products, it's because my scalp is a little bit dry. You guys can go in with the oil of your choice. I've been using this oil. This oil is an oil that I got in a promo package a while back ago, but the reason why I like this oil is because it's very nice and light. I used to use Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp, but for some reason it makes my scalp look a little bit orange, and it stains my night, scarf, durag, or whatever I'm wearing. So I like to go with a light oil, which is this. So the way I usually just oil my hair is excuse me, and my nose is leaking and stuff, like, girl, I'm gonna be getting sick. But the first thing I like to do is I like to go in and I like to just put it directly on my scalp. Now this oil is very, very light, so it will definitely leak if you don't put it like directly in the spot that you want it to go into. And I just go in and I just try my best to oil all the parts in my hair. This kind of takes me a while to do, so you see what I'm talking about? This is exactly what I'm talking about. How it just leaks just like that. But I would usually just put it onto my hair like this, and then I'll just keep oiling. So you guys seen how I did a couple. I'll show you guys this one too. And another thing about this oil is that it has like a little nozzle, which makes it way easier for me to be able to oil my scalp. Okay, and just like that. Let me know down below what is your favorite oil to use on your hair, even when you don't have like any protective style in, because I've been looking for some oils to use on my natural hair, but I just feel like on my natural hair while it's out, because I just feel like my hair just be missing that moisture and shine, and I just need a sealant for my leave-in conditioner. So let me know down below. Okay guys, so yeah, let me know down below what is your favorite oil to use on your hair in a protective style or not. Like, what is your go-to oil? My go-to oil used to be Jamaican black castor oil, but it's not anymore. So, and nothing is wrong with that, it's just that, like I said, it just stains because it has like a yellow tint to it. The one I usually use was the Jamaican black castor oil. It's, I think, the mango papaya one or mango coconut. I'm not too sure. I don't remember like exactly which one it is, but that's the one that I used to use. So now I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up so you guys can see like kind of the process and how I would just oil the back. Usually I would be in the bathroom, so probably a little bit easier for me to be able to see, but it's okay because I can just feel around. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up. Okay, so the second step I like to do after oiling my hair is going in with the leave-in conditioner. I have the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey hydrates and hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner. This is one of my favorite go-to sprays. It smells good, it does my hair really good as well. So I like to go in and focus this as well on my scalp, because I try to avoid putting creams and etc. on my scalp, that way I don't have much buildup. So I just like to go ahead and I just spray my scalp, and this feels so good too, guys. Like, it smells so good as well. So I like to just go in and okay, so I could feel it coming down a little bit. I like to just go in and spray it on my scalp directly. And for the actual body of my hair, that'll be the next step. You guys will see what leave-in conditioner I like to use. And this smells good, like I said, and I love what it has in it. It has coconut, I believe it has honey in here. Yep, coconut milk. It replenishes moisture, naturally softens and detangles, and then you have honey, which naturally retains moisture and adds shine, which is what I need. And again, I had my twist in for about a week. Today makes it a week exactly. I have my twist in, so my hair is due for some, you know, tender loving care. Okay, this is actually kind of the longest that I went without washing my hair, while my hair is, like, you know, out in its natural state and not with like any extensions or weaves and etc. I usually have like braids or something in, and like I think 3 weeks will be the max that I would go, but that'll be because I have some extensions in. So right now I'm just going in and putting in and rubbing in the product. I meant to say rubbing in the product, just to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And then if I need some more, which I know the bag does, I'll just go ahead and go in and, you know, spray as needed. So I'll just do that. And of course, guys, make sure that you're giving every part of your hair the same amount of love, because you don't want one part to have, you know, more love than the other. Like, what? Why would you do that? Okay, every part needs some tender love and care. So right now I'm just lifting up my twist and putting it on my scalp. And honestly, you don't want to drench your scalp either, because this is a nighttime routine, you know, to avoid getting sick and etc. So you just want to go in and, you know, freshen it up. And I also seen girls literally take their whole twist out and refresh it, but they did not have rubber bands in. So maybe that's why my routine may be a little bit different, because I don't have to take my rubber bands out. And then yeah, so now we're gonna focus on the body of my hair. Like, my hair's really looking good. Okay, so my second to last step is adding leave-in conditioner. This is the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. This is literally my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner. I've been using this religiously for like, I think 2-3 years now. It's been a staple into my natural hair regimen. The mango conditions and protects, and the shea butter moisturizes and softens, which is what I need. You guys can see it right here, and no cap in my wrap. Yeah, so basically all I like to do is I like to go in and I will take some into my hands, not too much, and then I'll just go ahead and rub it in, and then I'll just pass it onto the body of the twist. And the reason why I like using this leave-in conditioner for my twist and for my natural hair when it's out is because this is a very light leave-in conditioner. So it's not too heavy, it's not too like greasy, it's not going to cause me to have any buildup within my twist, and it's going to get the job done with moisturizing my hair, which is what I really am looking for. And also, this leave-in conditioner is the leave-in conditioner that I used when I was using or doing my twist. I use this leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner as well goes great with my styling cream. So, and it's very, very light, like very, very light, which is what I really, really love. If I'm going for more of a like moisturizing like butter or cream, I use my Carol's Daughter, which I did show, I believe, in my twist routine of how I did my twist. And yeah, so now I'm just making sure that I get my twists nice and juicy and curly. And I like to focus this again on the body of my hair and not really on the roots. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I feel like the back is missing some. But yeah, guys, that's all I do. So we're just gonna add some to the ends as well. Also, this is kind of my second or third time, I think my second time wearing twists, and for some reason I feel like twisting has a direction to twist. As you guys can see, some of my twists are coming apart, so I just like to go in and retwist whatever I see is coming out. If you guys know what causes that, or like why it's untwisting at some parts of my hair, let me know. You know, any tips will help. And also, what is your favorite leave-in conditioner to use, or what is your favorite product to use to re-moisturize your hair? So this is how my hair is looking. Pretty good. I have some that are untwisting. I do have to cut my ends, but we're just gonna focus on the body of the twist. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my last and final step right now. Okay guys, so the last step I'm going to do is I'm going to retake my oil, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands, and I'm just going to pass it over the body of my hair to lock in the moisture and help me to give some shine to these bad boys. Okay, so right now I'm just locking in the moisture. This is not necessary, but I just like to go in and do this because it does give me some shine, and again it locks in the moisture, because the leave-in conditioner moisturizes and hydrates, but the oil serves as a sealant to lock in the moisture. So I just took a little bit. I didn't take too much because I don't want my twists to be oily. I still want them to be nice and fluffy. So I just go ahead and just pass my hands over it just like this. And I'm making sure I'm passing my hands all the way down to also get the ends. Okay, so that is it, guys. Okay guys, that was the last step, me adding the oil to the body of my hair. It just again locks in the moisture, gives me a little bit of shine, and that is just the nighttime routine. Only 3 simple steps. And how I protect my hair at night is I would usually take my do-rag. I used to use a scarf, but I don't use a scarf anymore because it doesn't stay on, it just slips off. So now I just take me a do-rag, and the inside is like a satin material, so it protects my hair doesn't get frizzy. I just put it over it like this, and then I would just go ahead and tie it under and then bring back around. And then yeah, so I just use me a do-rag, but you guys can go ahead and use whatever you guys feel like is best for your hair. You can use a bonnet, you can use a satin scarf, or you can use a do-rag, or any other thing that you guys feel is best to protect your hair. Again, mine is just a do-rag. It's just simple do-rag, and it stays on all night. It doesn't slip back. It doesn't, like, it's not halfway off when I wake up in the morning. It's just, you know, intact. Okay, but anyways guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family when you're ready. Let me know down below what is your favorite products to use to re-moisturize your hair or to bring your hair back to life. Those are some of the products that I like to use, which I use in the video, especially for my twist. And the leave-in conditioner spray and the actual leave-in conditioner cream is what I use on my hair kind of on a daily when my hair is not into twist and it's out in its natural state. But anyways guys, it is Sophie the Doll. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to go ahead and watch my actual twist routine that I will put right now into the cards or at the end of the screens. Anyways guys, have a beautiful week, and it's Sophie the Doll.